Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided to start a new series on my channel, but I haven't really decided what to call it yet. For now, I think I'll either call it old wardrobe new clothes or old clothes new style. But if in the future you are watching this video and it's a new title down below, then that's because future me have decided what to call it and change the title on YouTube. So anyway, as the name suggests, it's basically taking old clothes from my wardrobe, revamping it, like changing up maybe a new style or like making small alterations to make it fit me better, that kind of thing. And so for today, the apparel will be this dress. Ta-da! Originally, this dress belonged to a really good friend of mine, but she said that it's really short on her. So she gave it to me and I thought maybe I can just put it off as a really short dress, or maybe I can wear it as a top with shorts underneath or with jeans underneath, but I didn't really like the look and it was really too short for me. So time to revamp this! So this is the back details for the dress. It has a zipper here at the skirt and a keyhole open bag with a zipper here for the top part of the bodice. The first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the skirt from the bodice. After removing the skirt from the bodice, I've also went ahead to seam rip the side seams of the skirt as well as the hem of the skirt. I tried on the bodice and the waistline of the dress was actually quite high, so I decided to add about 9 cm of waistband so that it wouldn't be too cropped atop. To get the waistband, I used the skirt material and measured 11 centimeters for each section because we measured 9 cm just now, so we are adding 1 cm at the top and 1 cm at the bottom for seam allowance. I then went ahead to just cut it up and piece it together. Because I needed 2 waistband, one for the inside and one for the outside, these are the 2 pieces that I end up with. I kept the rounded corners from the skirt because I intended this waistband to be a tight waistband and then I wanted it to taper at the end. But the 2 waistband is not the same, so I folded both waistband in half to find the center front and then match them at the center front and snip away the excess. So now I have 2 identical pieces for my waistband. Now to attach the waistband to the bodice, since the bodice had a separating zipper, I went ahead to separate the zippers so that it's easier to attach the waistband to the bodice. After finding the center front of the bodice as well as the waistband, we can match the center fronts together like so. And then we can go ahead and pin all around to secure the 3 layers of fabric. The first layer is the waistband with the right side facing up, and then the bodice with the right side facing down, and then the last waistband with the right side facing down as well. And then sew all around like that. Snip off the excess fabric at the seam allowance, going as close to the stitches but not cutting into the stitches at the tip so that we can reduce bulk. And then now I can go ahead and flip the waistband inside out. At the opening at the bottom, we are going to fold 1 cm of the seam allowance in and do the same for the other side of the waistband. And then match up the seams, folding 1 cm in. And then we can top stitch at the waistband all around. And that's it. Ta-da! I'm actually really happy with how this top turned out. It's exactly what I imagined it to be. The only small regret is that there's a lot of material left over from the skirt. It's not just the skirt itself, there's also the skirt lining that's left over that I didn't use in the end. I honestly have no idea what to do with it right now, so maybe in the future when I have ideas on what to do with it, I'll make another video. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe as well, and also don't forget to share if you want to. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!